It talks about uh, relationship, how people develop relationship. So we'll be talking about conflict and peacemaking, about love, about relationship, how to flourish your relationship, how to end relationship. Okay. What else? Okay. Relationship. Okay. So again, why I am saying that this subject should be taught in all programs, whether you like psychology or not, because these three, how people think about, how people influence others, and how people relate, we are experiencing this in our day-to-day experiences. Okay. By the time you wake up,